What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to hide past posts from public on Facebook for the Samsung S22 Ultra running Android. This will work for the S22 Ultra and most versions of the S22 running Android. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to change the visibility of your past posts or hide past posts, thankfully Facebook makes it pretty easy to do so on the S22 Ultra. To get started, what you want to do is head over to Facebook. Then you want to hit the menu button at the top right of the screen here. This will give you an overview of the menu options available for Facebook. From menu, what you want to do is hit the settings gear, which is right here at the top right next to search. And then you'll be taken to the settings page. From there, you want to scroll down, and you want to scroll down until you see the audience and visibility category. This is right above permissions and below preferences. From there, you want to look for post, and then you can hit post, and then once you're in the post menu, there's a few options, but the one we're looking for is limit who can see past post. If you hit this button, you'll limit who can see past post on your timeline, and as Facebook will tell you, if you choose to limit past post on your timeline that you've shared with friends or of friends, and public posts will now be shared only with friends. Anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may also see these posts. And if you hit limit past post, you'll get one final option to proceed, and if you hit that button, all of your past posts will be limited. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to change the visibility of past posts on Facebook. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.